Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are actually not going to be playing Moss. Today I will be showing you how to get the thing, the skill.net. So, what you want to do is go to your, if you're on Android, go to your Play Store and then search search skilled.net and do the same if you're on iOS. It will be called skilled.net server switcher. And once I open it, it will download a file. It'll be like an APK, but it won't actually change. It won't change that much. It will just add some like mods. Once you press play, it will obviously load up Among Us. But if you press revert, that will revert Among Us back to normal. If you're on PC though, you'll need to go into your browser, then search skilled.net. And it will load up this page. And you will need to press on the button under Discord server and above get your own vanilla Among Us server. And don't press the Patreon unless if you want to support them. And that is how you download it on iOS, Android, and computer. At least I think you can download it on computer. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Also, when you have Among Us open, and one way you know that it works is that instead of whatever this is set to, it will say skilled.net. And if you change it, it's basically reverting it back to normal. And also, you need to make sure to have skilled.net. You need to make sure that you have Among Us closed before downloading this, otherwise it won't work. But then, if it's closed, then you go back in. Sorry, then it will open Among Us. I will show you. Okay, bye. Now it will say skilled.net. If it doesn't say that, if it doesn't have the dot, it will still work. And another sign is if you press find game, there'll be a bunch of things that you may think are just usernames, but they are not. And once you go into a game, it will say a message in the chat saying what game mode it is. I'm gonna also show you how it works. So, if you do slash game mode, then press send, it will say what available game modes are in here. There's standard, there's random, there's 50-50. 50-50 is, it'll make half of the players one player. It won't make it one player, but it'll make half of the players look like another player. And then same with the other side, except different player. Clones is everyone looks like one player. Cops and robbers is basically what it sounds like. If you've ever played Cops and Robbers before, then you will know what you're doing. If you haven't played Cops and Robbers before, it's like a school game or something. But I know it is a game that basically if a cop touches one of the robbers, they get sent back to the jail. It's like this in Among Us, except there's 3 different areas you can get sent to. And if you do that, the Cops and Robbers game mode, it will automatically switch it to police. If you switch it to something else, if you switch the map back to what you wanted it to, it will not work. Yeah. The reason why it puts the map to police is because it was originally the Santa Claus, the Christmas event one. There's crazy colors, which is you get to set how much time you get until everyone switches colors. People cannot be the same color. Yeah. And Jester is one of you is the secret Jester, and how you know that you're the Jester is that after the skeld.net thing, after it says playing skeld.net, it will say Jester in capitals, you in white, and you in the elf hat. Switcheroo is like Crazy Colors, except you don't switch colors, you switch places with another player. And you get to set how long until that happens. You can even set it for 1 second. Which is, I think you can set it for 1 second. And next one is True, which is which is you will look like you will be green and you will have the devil horn from the Halloween update. And the troll, if you're the troll, then if you get killed by the imposter, then the troll will win, but it will say crewmates won. Yeah. If it happens like after the kill cooldown is over, then it will still say the crewmates won. And then twins game mode is basically someone else. You're either a player with the original one that you are. It's confusing. So, for example, if I was playing this, then if there was two of me and it said there was two hide and seek people, which is my name currently, that means that you're basically someone else is also you, or you're someone else. Vent teleporter is if you stand on a vent, it will teleport you to a random vent. And the last one is zombies. So the imposter will start out as a zombie. And if that imposter touches another player, like just walks into them, also the crewmates will be cops. And if one of the imposters touches the crewmate, then that crewmate that they touched becomes a zombie. Okay, so I will show you other commands. Slash help, or you can do slash command. I'm going to do slash help. Slash help is also like available windows. Yeah, and it shows you all the things you can do. And if you do one of these commands in-game, it won't change anything about the current game. It will only change it until the next game is started. So, there's commands, which also shows up this. There's crazy colors. That is to change the amount of time you switch before you change colors. Slash game mode is the thing that I showed you already. Slash help is also slash commands. Slash hide names hides all names. And if you're playing hide and seek, then it will be harder for the imposter. Since if you're hiding on Polis, then it will be harder to do. Yeah. And next is imposters, which is, right now I have one imposter. So if I do, slash slash imposters. Imposters. And if I do, and if I do 1, 2, or 3, that's how many imposters there will be. But you cannot do anything over. Wait, can you? Yeah. You need to enter 1, 2, or 3. Slash kill cooldown is how long the kill cooldown is. So, just a note, when you're doing, you can do 0 kill cooldown, but it will make the kill button invisible. But it will still be there. Slash map changes the map. Slash MOTD. I'm gonna see what that does. Slash MOTD. Oh, it restarts the first message. And there's slash players, which you can change how many players there are, 1 through 10. So if I do slash players, then I do 4. You'll need to do 4 through 10. And it doesn't say it, but it will set the max players to 4. I don't know why, but it's a weird little glitch in it. And slash speed is how much speed, how fast all the players are. So you know that the max speed you can do in normal settings is times 3. But if I do slash speed, it'll tell me how much speed I can do. Please enter a valid number between 0 and 4. And then the last one is slash switcheroo. And once you do that, I'm gonna see how much you can do. Slash switcheroo. Use this command to set the timer for switcheroo game mode in seconds. Yeah, so basically you can set it for a minute. You can set it for half a minute. And if you want to be rude, you can do slash switcheroo. Can I do 0 seconds? The timer has been set to 5 seconds. So it will automatically set it for 5 seconds. If you do it any under than 5 seconds, it will put it back to 5 seconds. So what if I do slash switcheroo, and I just put a bunch of 9s in. Please enter time 10:32 or 74 is some of the options you can do. And that was the last command. And bye-bye. Bye-bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and put notifications to all.